Right, okay, this is test 1 for the prototype scope cam. I'm using my King Arms DMR. So first of all, I'm going to scan the environment and see how well we can do. This scope cam is simply a camera held to the stock by lots and lots of string. A picture will be up. This is just my very first prototype. I'm going to be doing different versions of this to see how well we can get the view. So now I'm going to be shooting that over there. Please note that I'm looking through the viewfinder of my camera, so not actually down the scope. So this might be very inaccurate, but now fully automatic. Also, I'm about 100 feet away, so hope you like this video. I don't know if I'll be using this in a real battle because I doubt I'll get anyone because of massive camera strapped to the back of my stock. But that's the prototype of my first scope cam. So thanks for watching, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video.